Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add social sharing icons to Weebly. This is a fantastic way to boost your online presence by making it super easy for visitors to connect with you on various social media platforms. Let's jump right in and get those icons added to your site. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look at the left menu and you'll see the website option. Click on it, and then underneath that, click Edit Site. This will take you to a view of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Now, choose the website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've made your selection, look at the right side of your screen and click the Edit button. This action will bring you into the editor page of your website where all the customization magic happens. On the top menu, make sure you are on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements and tools you need to design and structure your website. The Build section is your go-to place for adding new features and content to your pages. Next, turn your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll find various elements you can add to your site. Scroll through until you find the element labeled Social Icons. This is exactly what we need to add those clickable social media buttons to your website. Once you've located the social icons element, simply drag it into the area of your website where you'd like it to appear. This could be in your header, footer, sidebar, or anywhere else that makes sense for your layout. The drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to position elements exactly where you want them. After you've placed the social icons element on your page, click on it to access the customization options. Here you can edit its alignment and spacing to ensure it fits perfectly with your website's design. Adjusting these settings helps create a polished, professional look that matches your overall aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the alignment and spacing, click Manage Icons. This is where the real customization begins. In this section, you can add new social media icons, link each icon to your respective social media profiles, and reorder the icons to display them in your preferred sequence. Simply click to add an icon, paste in the URL of your social profile, and arrange them however you like. And that's it. You've successfully added social sharing icons to your Weebly website, making it easier than ever for visitors to follow and engage with you across different platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.